Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you doing? I hope you and your family are fine and enjoying good health. Attend your virtual classes and do your homework regularly. Okay, so it's your English class. Let's start our lesson. Here is your English textbook and English workbook. So students, get your English textbook and workbook. Our unit number 1 is Ringo the Parrot. Dear students, in our previous class, we have started this unit. Here is your English workbook, page number 4, and today our activity is singular plural. Okay, singular plural. Single is used for one person and plural is used for more than one person. Okay, write singular from these words. Here some words are given to you and some of these are the plural words. Now we are going to write the singular form of these words. Parents, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents, S is used here, so it is plural form. Okay, so write parents in plural form. Similarly, the singular of parents is parent, P-A-R-E-N-T, parent. Okay, let's move towards second word, grandparents. Again, S is used here, so it is the plural form. So write here grandparents, and the singular form of grandparents is grandparents. Simply you remove S from this word. Okay, children. Dear student, children. The singular form of children is child. C-H-I-L-D, child. Next word is apples. S is used here. So simply remove S from this letter. So it would become singular. So A-P-P-L-E. Right here. A-P-P-L-E. Grapes. Again it is a plural form. So by removing S, it would become singular. G-R-A-P-E. So write grape in singular box. And the last word is peanuts. S is again used here. So by removing S here, we get the singular form, that is peanut. P-E-A-N-U-T. Peanut. Okay, English workbook. Now we are going to solve question number 4 of this English workbook. And this is the unit number 1. Remember this. Okay, question number 4. Write the plural forms of the following words. Here some words are given to us. And these words are singular form. Look at there. Parrot, word, guava, school, mother, house, room, question, was, gate. Okay, all these words are singular. Now we are going to make the plural form of these words. Okay. See, dear students, parrots. One parrot, more than one parrot, it would become parrots. You use here S, parrots. Similarly, the plural form of word is words. So write here words. W-O-R-D-S. Guava, guavas. School, schools. So write next word is school. Schools. Mother, mothers. Good. House, houses. The spelling of houses is H-O-U-S-E-S. Houses. Room, rooms. Question, questions. Was, wases. V-A-S-E-S. More than one was, it would become wases. Gate. And the plural form is gates. Good. Okay. Listening and speaking. Now we are going to tick the correct options. Okay. Here are some words that have the same sound but the different spellings, just like the sound of a in was in the is the same as, the sound of was is same as was. W as was, HED had. Which answer is correct here? Was. So this answer is correct here. So tick this answer. Next part. The sound of in day is the same as. The sound of day is same with which word? That, play. They play. Again, they play. Sound of voice come at the end of this word. The sound of a room is same as a good school. Good school. Which one is the similar sound with room? Good. The sound of ran is same as ran, came and. Yes, ran and. The sound of he is the same as he, she. Okay. This is the listening. पहले आप इसको सुने and speaking and then आप इसको बोले. Was, they play, room, good, ran and, he, she. Okay, let's move toward page number 5 and this is the page number 6, English workbook. This is also from your English workbook. Now we are going to underline the correct option. This is question number 7. Underline the correct option. Okay. We saw a bear. Again, this is not bear, this is bear. In a zoo. Which thing you saw in the zoo? Bear. This is bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. He said goodbye. Which spelling is correct for here? Correct is here. B-Y-E. Bye. He said goodbye. This is news or all. This is news our. This one is correct one here. There are dash 8 books. Which one 8? A-T-E 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Yes, E-I-G-H-T 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 books. I did not hear your voice. Which spelling is correct here? This option is correct one. Hear, sunna. Okay. I did not hear your voice. So, complete this page on your book with your lead pencil. Okay students, this is page number 8 from your workbook and we are going to make the sentence negative. Okay, some words are given to you and we are simply make this sentence by using the word not. Okay, the telephone is in the room. Simply we use here N-O-T, not. The telephone is not in the room. Okay, the telephone is not in the room. So student, note this statement on your book. Page number 6. The teapot is over there. The teapot is not over there. The teapot is not over there. Next statement is the bench was near the tree. The bench was not near the tree. The switches are behind the door. The negative form, the switches are not behind the door. The bus is on the road. The second negative form is the bus is not on the road. कि वो रोड पे नहीं है, बस रोड पे नहीं है. Okay, this is the negative statements of these 5 statements. Okay, note all these statements on your book. Which book? Workbook. This is your workbook. Okay. Now my dear students, let's move towards unit number 2. This is unit number 2 and the title of this unit is The Giraffes and the Lions. So this unit is about giraffes and the lion. Where is giraffe in this picture? Here is giraffe. So student, this story is about giraffes having long neck. Have you seen any giraffe there? Okay. Let's move toward the reading of this unit. Now students, let's start the reading of this unit. Giraffes are the tallest animal in the world. Okay? They have a very long neck. Tallest, सबसे लंबा animal है. Which one? Giraffe. And they have long neck. सब लंबी सी neck होती है इनकी. Okay जी. They can grow up to 18 feet in height. 18 feet in height. They can be found mainly in Africa. Where they can be found? They can be found in which country? Africa. अफ्रीका में ज़्यादातर जिराफ्स होते हैं. Even though they are so big, they are timid creatures and live together in groups of about 12 to 15 animals. ये अकेले नहीं रहते, इतने लंबे होते हैं लेकिन अकेले नहीं रहते, बल्कि इनके साथ 12 से 15 एनिमल्स और भी होते हैं. They live in a group फॉर्म में रहते हैं ये. Their long neck allows them to eat the leaves and twigs of trees. The long neck allow them, ये लंबी सी गर्दन की वजह से ये ऊंचे ऊंचे दरख्तों पे पत्ते खा सकते हैं. And they can eat the branches of leaves or trees also. Okay, let's move toward next paragraph. Okay, students, I have a question for you. Which animal is the tallest in the world? Yes, giraffe. Good. Second question is for you. Which animal has long neck? Which animal has long neck? Okay, giraffe. Very good. You are very intelligent students. Okay, question number 3. What is the height of giraffe? 18 feet. Maximum height of giraffe will be 18 feet. Okay. Now let's move toward some interesting facts about giraffe. Here are some interesting facts about giraffe. Giraffes sleep only between 10 minutes and 2 hours per day. They have one of the shortest sleep requirement for any mammal. एक दिन में सिर्फ 2 घंटे ये एनिमल सोता है. और कितने टाइम के लिए सोता है? Just for 10 minutes. Imagine, just for 10 minutes. Okay? और ये ऐसा एनिमल है जो सबसे कम सोता है. ठीक है? Newly born baby giraffe can stand within half an hour and after only 10 hours can actually run along their family. Very interesting. Newly born giraffe baby giraffe, जो अभी छोटा सा बेबी जिराफ अभी पैदा ही हुआ होता है, वो आधे घंटे में खड़ा भी हो जाता है और 10 घंटे के अंदर अंदर भागना भी, अपनी फैमिली के साथ भी भागना शुरू कर देता है. कैन यू इमेजिन दिस फैक्ट? इट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. Okay, let's move toward next page. Now let's know about lions. Lions are also animals, and this unit is about also giraffe and lions. So lions are very fierce animals. ये बहुत ज़्यादा fierce animals होते हैं. Fierce का क्या मतलब है? What is the meaning of fierce? Lions are very angry. इनको बहुत गुस्सा आता है. They are very angry and they are always ready to attack to other animals. Just like here, the meaning of fierce, angry and ready to attack and looking for frightening. Okay? They live in the wild. कहाँ पे रहता है? They live in the wild. Wild means jungle. Okay? They eat other animals and sometimes man. Okay? ये animals भी खाता है और sometimes तो ये man को भी खाते हैं. Okay? Lions hunt in groups. Often it is the lioness, not the male lion, that catches its prey. Okay? They hunt in groups. Groups की फॉर्म में शिकार करते हैं और लॉयनस जो होती है वो शिकार नहीं करती, लेकिन ज़्यादातर जो मेल लॉयन होते हैं वो कैच करते हैं अपने प्रे को, अपने खाने को. ओके. Lions like to eat zebra. What is the favorite dish of lion? Zebra. Lion also drink their blood. The male lion has a mane. What is the meaning of mane? Dear students, mane means the long hair around the face and neck of male loin. मेल लॉइन के फेस पे और नेक पे लंबे लंबे बाल होते हैं, जैसे हम कहते हैं ना बब्बर शेर, आपने देखा है कभी? जी, दे हैव द मेन, उसको हम मेन कहते हैं, फिर लंबे लंबे बाल होते हैं मुंह पे भी और गर्दन पे भी. द लॉइनस डज नॉट, बट द लॉइनस डज नॉट हैव द मेन, उनके पास मेन नहीं होता. There are many lions in the South Africa. Lions roar. The lions babies are called cubs, and the lion babies are known as cubs. Now, my dear students, let's move to our exercise. The exercise of unit number 2 contains D part. Part number A, put these words in correct order. Part number B, answer the following questions. C, change the following into negative. D, complete words. Now students, let's start the part number A of this chapter, of this unit. Unit number 2, giraffe and the lion. Okay, the first part is put these words in the correct order. Now, we are going to arrange the words in the correct order. Okay. First statement is the tallest animal in the world are giraffe. The correct form of this statement is the giraffe are that is on number 1. Then write giraffe are the tallest animal in the world. Okay, this is the correct form. So write these statements on your book, on your notebook. B, second part. Other animals they eat. The correct sentence is they eat other animals. They eat other animals. Okay, third part. Has a mean the male loin. The correct form is the male loin has a mane. This is the answer of this statement. Fourth one. The loin's babies are cub called. The correct form is the loin's babies are called cub. So, dear students, note this A part on your neat notebook. Okay. B part. Answer the following questions. Some questions are here and we are going to write the answer of these questions. First question. Which animal has a long neck? Yes. Answer of this question is giraffe has a long neck. Dear students, again note all these question answers on your notebook and learn these questions answers as well. Second question. Second question is Where are giraffe found mainly? ज़्यादातर कहाँ पाया जाता है? Giraffe mainly found in Africa. Okay. Question number 3. Question number 3 is which animal is very furious? Lion is very furious. The answer is lion. What do lion like to eat? Lion like to eat zebras. Zebras are the favorite dish of lion. Here is C part. Change the following sentences into negative. Now we are going to change the sentences in negative by using the word not. Okay. First statement. It has a very long neck. Simply use here not. It has not a very long neck. They are timid creature. They are not a timid creature. This is the second form and these are the negative form by using not. Third one. It is the lioness. It is not the lioness. Okay. Lions hunt in group. Lions not hunt in groups. Not hunt in groups. Okay. Let's complete the words by using the letter. This is fierce. F-I-E-R-C-E. Next word is lioness. E-double-S. Put here E. Note this question on your book with your lead pencil. Hunt. H-U-N-T, hunt. Main, M-A-N-E, main. So mine, sorry, this is a main word and mine word also. You can also write here A-N-E or I-N-E. Blood. Okay, blood में double O-D, B-L-O-O-D, sometimes as creature and twigs. Okay, and this is blood. So dear student, note all these, complete all these words on your book. Here are some interesting facts for you. Giraffe. Giraffe can grow up to 18 feet tall and weight as much 3,000 pounds. इसका कद 18 फीट तक जा सकता है, जाता भी है, और इसका जो वेट होता है वो 3,000 पाउंड्स होता है. Loin. Here is a loin and male loin having a mane. The hairs that are present on the face and neck. Okay जी. Loins roar can be heard up to 5 miles away. 5 मील की दूरी पर भी loin की दहाड़ने की आवाज़ आ जाती है. Loins are excellent swimmers. Lions may live about 15 years in the wild. Okay? जंगल में 15 साल से भी ज़्यादा जो है वो lion can live. Okay? Let's read this page with reading. Okay? Waiter, what would you like for dessert? Here is a question form. Waiter पूछ रहा है what you like for dessert. Customer क्या कह रहा है? Here is customer. He is saying I can't decide. What do you recommend? Waiter, I recommend our chocolates ice cream. Everybody says it's delicious. Customer, okay, please give me a goblet. Okay, please read these lines, these paragraph at your home. Here are some pronunciation words of SH. S have a sound of S. H has a sound of H. By making these two words together, it would make sh. Okay? SH, sh. SHIP, sheep. She, shirt, shark. Okay? Write the dictionary symbols here. Here is shoe. So you write here this S-O-E, shoe. Shine. Simply you use S here. Shine. Shore. Dish. Fish. Brush. Okay. Try to read all these phonetic symbols at your home. Some extra reading for you. Read this page at your home. Just like me. Read with me. My brother and I look very different. I have got brown eyes and he has got blue eyes. We both have got brown hairs, but I have got straight hair and he has short curly hair. I am tall and thin. He is short and heavy. As you can see, I don't like my brother. I don't look like my brother. We look very different. Look at this picture. Are the two boys look like each other? Are two boys look alike? No, there is a difference. He is short. He is tall. He has straight hairs, but he has short curly hair. His eyes are in blue color. His eyes are in brown color. Okay? So both brothers do not alike. एक जैसे नहीं लगते. Here are some common nouns and proper nouns. Basically, what are nouns? Yes, the naming person are all called noun. Okay, the name of person, place, thing, or an idea. Just like look at this picture. This is a mountain. This is a mountain. So mountain is a noun. Who is she? She is a girl. Girl is also a noun. What is this? Hospital. This place is hospital. So hospital is a noun. This place is school. This is a particular place, school. Okay, ji. Haven't all these words are common noun. Why these are common noun? Because ये हर बंदे के होते हैं. These are common. Okay, but proper noun, specific name of this mountain. What is the name of this mountain? K2. So K2 is proper noun. Girl, the name of this girl is Jessica. So Jessica is proper noun. Hospital, the name of this hospital is Glenfield General Hospital. So this is also a proper noun. The name of this school is Oxford Public School. So Oxford Public School is proper noun. Have a look on this definition. A proper noun is the name of particular person, place, thing or idea. Look at here. This is the particular names of person, place or things. Persons, just like James Edward William. Places, just like Canada, Pakistan, London, Hyde Park. All these are names of particular places. Things, Coca-Cola, the Eiffel Tower. All these are particular things. So these are proper noun. The first letter of proper noun should be capital. Look at here. All first letters written in capital letters. Okay. Common noun. Common noun is the name of common of its kind, class or group. Jessica cannot be used for all girls. Just like this girl. Girl is a common noun, but the name Jessica is not for all girls. Some girls, all names are different from each other. Okay, tick the common nouns and underline the proper noun. Okay, we are going to tick the common noun. Help me. Okay, ji. Common noun, loin. Yes, it is common noun. Tick loin. South Africa. This is not a common noun. This is a proper noun. So underline this statement. Just like me. South Africa. Leaves. Leaves are common noun. Where is my pencil? Yes. Leaves. Take this statement. Tree. Again, common noun. Giraffe. Proper noun. America. Again, proper noun. Chair. Common noun. Sunday. Proper noun. Proper particular name of a day which is Sunday. March. Proper noun. Again underline this March because this is proper noun. Name of a month. James. Again it is a proper noun. Name of the boy. Okay. So it is common noun. Sorry, proper noun. So underline all the words which are proper here and tick all the words which are common here. Just like me with your lead pencil on your book. Here is question number 2 for you, dear students. Question number 2. Complete the sentences using the word from Cadbury Bank. Here is the Cadbury Bank is given to us. Now we are going to complete the statements. Dash are the tallest animal in the world. What is this? This is the tallest animal. Giraffe. So, right here, giraffe. Dash are fierce animals. Yes. Lions are fierce animals. Dash hunt in groups. Yes. Lions hunt in groups. So, right here, lions. The dash does not have the mean. Lioness. The lioness does not have the meaning. The dash babies are called cubs. The lion's babies are called cubs. Lions like to eat zebras. Okay, the correct answer is zebras. Dash eat leaves and twigs of branches. Good, giraffe. Okay, note all this with me. Question number 3. Write the degrees of comparison. Here some first degree comparison, second degree, superlative and comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay. First form is tall. Simply we use here er, so it would become taller. And by using the word est, it would become tallest. Okay. By following this example, we are going to write to complete our question number 3. Long, longer, longest. Big, bigger, biggest. Very good. Short, shorter. Short, second degree of short is shorter, shortest. Fierce, fiercer, fiercest. High, higher, highest. Small, smaller, smallest. Large, larger, largest. Soft, softer, softest. Here is question number 4. Circle is for one subject or for more subject. Okay. We are going to circle by using the word tick the word is or are. So they dash so big. They are. So circle, tick the word are because it is a plural form. They is a plural form. So we used are with the plural term. They are so big. The lion is are in the jungle. The lion is singular or plural? एक शेर है. Okay. So used here is. The lion is in the jungle. It dash green. It is green. It are green. Good. It is green. Dear students, right here, it is. The correct form is it is. So tick the word it is. This is the wrong term. The correct word is it is. There is many animals. There are many animals. So tick the word are. The cubs are baby lions. The cubs are baby lions. This is are. This is a kite. There are giraffes there. Okay, complete this on your book with me. I am waiting. Okay, I hope that you will complete all these question number 3 and 4 on your book. Now, my dear students, here is question number 5 from your workbook again. Look at this question deeply. Write a composition on my favorite game. Now we are going to write the composition my favorite game. आपकी पसंदीदा गेम कौन सी है, स्पोर्ट कौन सी है? The following question may help to you. Okay, dear students, you have to write all these questions at your home. Firstly, you understand this concept. What is your favorite game or sport? Write here the name of the favorite game of sport. If you like hockey, then like the word hockey. If you like cricket, football, swimming, you can choose any type of game from these keywords. Why do you like it more than other games or sport? Why do you like it? Due to fun, due to joy. Okay, you can write this in your own words. How often do you take part in this game or sport? आप कितना हिस्सा लेते हो इस गेम में? Yes, very much because it is very interesting game. Have you met with any difficulty in the game or sport? Write the answer in yes or no. क्या आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है गेम में? How do you hope to do better in this game or sport? आपको कैसे लगता है कि आप इसमें ज़्यादा अच्छे हो सकते हो? By to win a game, keep it last match by practicing more and more practicing. So dear students, this page is for your homework. complete all these questions just like as you wish. Okay, this is up to you. So complete this page freely. Question number 6 that are present on page number 9 of your workbook. Now we are going to match all these statements just like match the word sound same exactly and beginning sound. Okay, now we are going to do this very interesting activity. Okay, dear students, we are going such words that have the same except the initial sound. The initial sound is different, but the remaining sound and the ending sound is same. Just like bat, bat, b is different here. Look at this, bat, bat. Okay, p, at, pat. Again, bat, bat, pat, pat. Again, bat, bat, pat, pat. They have same ending sound, okay, but different initial sound. सूर्य की आवाज़ चेंज है, यहाँ पे ब की आवाज़ आ रही है और पैट में पा की आवाज़ आ रही है. Okay, okay student, now we are going to match these statements just like this one. Bat, pat, man, hand. And here is the word that is an, pa, an, pan, man, pan. Okay, cap, the word ab used here, cap. Here the word ab is used for tab. So match cap with tab. Cap, tab. Pad, the word ad is used here. So here the word lad, 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 pad, lad. Again, next word cap, ap, cap. Okay, here the word ap, map, cap, map. Again, cap, map, cap. Let's move to your homework, and your homework is read unit number 2 full, solve exercise of textbook, solve exercise of chapter number 2 on your book, and all the work that are done in today's class. Dear students, I hope that you have understood all the lecture that you have done. Okay students, if you have any question regarding this lecture, call me at school's number. I will answer your all queries. Dear students, complete all the tasks that are assigned to you in today's and share the picture of your homework at school's WhatsApp number. That's all for today. See you next time. Take care, stay home, stay safe, and Allah Hafiz.